I have an irregular shaped object and I want to find its centre of mass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this on a little hook so it's going to balance, and then I'm going to put a plumb line, which is just a simple mass, where that goes, and we're going to mark this to see where the plumb line goes. Let's do it again, but this time I'm going to try a different hole, and we'll get this to move and settle down, and then we'll put this plumb line in, and then we'll try it again on a third. I don't really need 3, but the third one confirms where the first 2 are. Is we can place our plumb line down over this, and then let's take this off and we'll have a look at where they meet. So I'm going to draw from the centre point of the hole where we've got it. If I got it right, then these points should line up, and they very nearly do. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to fold this piece of card a little bit so that now I can suspend this in its centre, just like that. There we are, finding the centre of mass of an irregular shaped piece of card.